In this video, I will compare Exodus Wallet and MetaMask to help you decide which crypto wallet is the best fit for your needs. And I will divide this video into certain areas, and I'm going to talk about a platform overview of the two apps, the fees and the costs, the best for what, and a final verdict on the two. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video, starting off with a platform overview of Exodus Wallet. So Exodus Wallet is a non-custodial desktop and mobile wallet that supports 250 plus cryptocurrencies, offering built-in swaps and staking with a strong visual interface. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a non-custodial browser extension and mobile wallet primarily focused on Ethereum and EVM-compatible blockchains, ideal for DeFi and Web3 interaction. And what about the fees and the costs? Well, Exodus Wallet is free to use, with variable swap fees based on liquidity providers, and it does not charge to send or receive crypto beyond the network fee. MetaMask is also free, but it charges a 0.875% fee on swaps, plus standard network gas fees depending on chain congestion. And I would say that Exodus Wallet is best for users who want a polished, user-friendly wallet with a focus on multi-asset management and simplicity, and MetaMask is ideal for DeFi users, NFT collectors, and those interacting with Web3 apps on Ethereum or Layer 2 networks. So let's make a final verdict between the two. I would say choose Exodus Wallet if you want an easy-to-use multi-asset wallet with staking and a great design. And I would say choose MetaMask if you're focused on Web3 Ethereum-based apps and DeFi tools. And which one do you use and prefer? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.